凤
凤
Legends say that there's a huge, beautiful bird with colorful feathers and a beautiful voice, which dances elegantly. It is regarded as the queen of birds. It brings a peaceful and auspicious atmosphere when it shows up. This is the phoenix, Feng Huang. According to the records of ancient China, celebrations were held after conquering floods. Feng Huang danced to the music during the ceremony. Therefore, it is regarded as an auspicious bird. Dragons and Feng Huang are usually mentioned together in China. Dragons represent masculinity, and Feng Huang represent elegance, harmony, and auspiciousness. Legends of Feng Huang are passed from generation to generation.
Feng
Feng